Operations and process innovation. Research and development or R&D is the process of developing and discovering a new product and services. It helps companies invent innovative products and services. Research and development is essential for startup as they look to create innovative, differentiated, competitive offering that would provide revenue over time and also create strong foothold while competing with other services and large companies. Research and development is an important way of innovating, keeping up with market trends, and staying relevant.
Let's go.
Hi everyone, we are the Group 3 presenters.
Nature of design and innovation in the context of operation. Innovations, often referred to as leading edge, are based on research and development within research and development laboratories and may involve patent application. There can be new application of existing techniques or products, and while not all innovation are suitable for patents, their novelty, ingenuity, and cost benefit to organization may be similar. Design, on the other hand, is the process of applying scientific principles and inventions, often requiring a compromise between various elements. Design. Design aims to meet customers' needs and expectations, starting with the customer. Marketing gathers information to identify these needs, which may vary from day to day. The product and service designer designs a specification for the product and service, involving complex variables and company objectives. All products and services can be considered as having three aspects: a concept, a package of components, products providing the expected benefits, and a process defining the relationship between the components, product, and services.
Designs and volumes. All the operations management functions involve making decisions. Some are tactical or structured and have short term, while others are more strategic with longer term implication for both the operation functions and the organizations as a whole. One such major decision relates to the implications of the production volume required.
So let's talk about craft-based products. Some products are craft-based and only ever will be made in small volumes. For example, products from the Hawaii culture gowns are more often made in small volumes and showcased at the fashion shows. However, these designs are often copied by other organizations, leading to a rush to supply high street retailers with cheaper copies. The operation management in these supplies must respond quickly to market changes, ensuring flexibility and speed. Good marketing is crucial to avoid end-of-season excess stocks and achieve ambitious sales. Design simplification is crucial for delivering products that satisfy needs and meet expectations, making a product easy to produce, reduce complexity and effectiveness in quality management procedures. This leads to fewer rejects, fewer substandard products, and simpler material control. This applies to service sectors, application of technology, and concurrent engineering techniques contributes to this area of management. Innovation within manufacturing involves continuous cost savings and closer collaboration between designers and operations and marketing personnel increases success. Early product design is essential for large-scale assembly facilities. Reverse engineering, the process of duplicating an existing component, sub-assembly or product without the aid of drawings, documentation, or computer model is known as reverse engineering. Reverse engineering can be viewed as the process of analyzing a product. First, identify the components and their relationships. Second, create representation of the product in another form. And lastly, create the physical representation of that product.
The process design. Process design is one of the important elements of operation that of design of the layout of the facility providing the goods or service. In service type operation, the customer may be inside and will have visibility of the company's operation function, and the significance of layout is even more important. Process design and innovation. Process innovation and product innovations are interdependent, with process innovation often being invisible and requiring little strategic decision making. This is due to the fact that many of these innovations are subsumed into productivity treatments, making them less visible in the literature on innovation management. Despite this, the process of innovation are often cited as for show, whereas product innovations are for doubt in the industry. Process industries are characterized by the following.
First, high production speed, short throughput time, rigid process control, high capital investment, clear determination of capacity, one routing for all products, limited volume flexibility, low product complexity, low added value, strong impact of changeover times, small number of production steps, limited number of products.
Formalization. There have been a variety of studies examining the relationship between formalization and innovation. There is some evidence of an inverse relationship between formalization and innovation, and that is, an increase in formalization of procedures will result in a decrease in innovative activity. Decrease in procedures and rules would lead to an increase in innovation. Complexity. Complexity refers to the formation of a large, interconnected network of technologies, data, product or services, and people within an organization. It's often a byproduct of positive business changes like innovation, growth, and expanding product portfolios. Centralization. Centralization refers to the concentration of management and decision making power at the top of the organizational hierarchy for the purpose of coordinating financial, human, and other business resources. Organizational size is defined as the number of employees at any geographical location. This would include the total corporate organization if it is one geographical location or a division of a centralized corporation. Of individual in the innovation process. The innovation process involves several key individuals with distinct roles and responsibilities. These are included innovators or idea generators who come up with new ideas or concepts, designers who turn these ideas into tangible products, often using computer-aided design software. IT system and their impact on innovation. Information technology or IT innovation in an enterprise involves using technology and new ways to create more efficient organization and improve alignment between technology initiatives and business goals. IT innovation can take many forms. For instance, it can turn business processes into automated IT functions, develop applications, or implement desktops virtualization to increase manageability and cut hardware costs. Management tools for innovation. An innovation tool is a device, process, or application that improves productivity and efficiency. Innovation tools come in the form of tools for inventors and tools for those who are developing a new product. There are tools designed for businesses to help generate ideas by letting employees collaborate digitally with ideation software. The tools of innovation are important as they help to improve the way business operate. With so many different types of tools available, it's important to find the tools that fit your specific needs. Management tools and techniques. First, idea sketching tools. Second, idea generating tools. Third, creativity tools. Fourth, prototyping tools. Fifth, visualization tools. Sixth, market research tools. 7. Trend analysis tools. 8. Technology scouting tools. And last but not least, the business model generation tools.
First, idea sketching tools. Idea sketching tools can be extremely helpful in speeding up the innovation process. Second, Idea generation tools. Tools like mind maps for writing or ideation exercise speed up the ideation process, allowing to generate more ideas. Third, creativity tool. Creativity tools improve innovation, speed, and fall into three main categories. 4. Prototyping tools. Prototyping tools offer a quick and easy way to create a mock up the ideas, get feedback, and then improve ideas. 5th, visualization tools, which accelerate innovation success by giving access to different perspectives and starting points for creativity. 6th, market research tools. These tools help innovators identify customers' needs, problems, and potential solutions. 7th, trend analysis tools. These tools help identify social media, news, and consumer trends. 8. Technology scouting tools. These tools help you quickly identify and assess new useful technologies. Next, business model generation tools. These tools help you explore and analyze a wide range of business models for your product or service. Over the past 50 years, numerous models, guidelines, and tools have been developed to help firms achieve successful product innovation. While there is debate about the design and content of these models, they generally aim to improve product development through a series of phases. However, the extent to which the firms and the managers adhere to these models is unclear. Studies on the actual use of these models in practice are limited. Key challenges in innovation for any manager or leader according to Deschamps in 2003. These are the urge to do new things, the obsession to redefine customer value, the courage to take risks, and ability to manage risk, speed in supporting opportunities and project execution, a shift in focus and mindset from business optimization to business creation.
Innovation audit, as financial auditing, where the purpose is to determine the health of the firms, so firms can undertake an innovation audit. Intellectual property or IP refers to the creation of the mind, such as invention, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Table 6.1, an overview of the main types of intellectual property. So we have type of intellectual property and key features of this type of protection. First, patents offer a 20-year monopoly. Second, copyright provides exclusive rights to creative individuals for the protection of their literary or artistic productions. Third, registered designs, as protected by registration, is for the outward appearance of an article and provides exclusive rights for up to 15 years. And lastly, registered trademarks. It is a distinctive name, mark, or symbol that is identified with a company's product. Patents utilities last for about 20 years, while design patents and plant patents last for a shorter period. Why patents are limited? The reasons of putting a time limit on patents is to prevent the building of unlimited monopolies. If patents were to have no expiration date, then large corporations would corner the market by securing numerous patents to push out the competition by never allowing them to create similar products or designs. Monopoly for 20 years, patents are granted to individuals and organizations that can lay claim to a new product or manufacturing process or to an improvement of an existing product or process that was not previously known. The granting of a patent gives the patentee a monopoly to make, use, or sell the invention for a fixed period of time. Annual fees required. A patent lasts up to 20 years in the United Kingdom and Europe, but heavy annual renewal fees have to be paid to keep in force. Patent agents. The role of a patent agent combines scientific and engineering knowledge with legal knowledge and expertise, and it is a specialized field of work. Many large companies have in-house patent agents who prepare patents for the company's scientists. They may also search patent databases around the world on behalf of the company's scientists. For a patent to benefit from legal protection, it must meet three criteria. First, novelty; second, inventive step; and third, industrial application. Exclusion from patent: a discovery, scientific theory, or mathematical method. Abstract and purely intellectual ideas are excluded from patentability. Patenting of life: animals, plants, humans, microorganisms, and their parts, such as genes and cells, should not be patentable as these life forms are creation of God and natures. Configuration of patent. Patents are granted through a formal registering and indexing system, allowing others to challenge monopolies. These patents, specification, and abstracts are crucial sources of information, classified and indexed for easy search. The specification describes the invention, including the country of origin, filing date, and applicant's details. The abstract identifies the technical subject and advance of the invention, usually accompanied by a drawing or published in weekly information booklets. The European Patent Office allows patents for the entire European continent, but the concept of a world patent is a distant reality. Expiry of patent and patent extension. The term of a patent shall be 20 years from the filing date of the application. The patent must be maintained yearly. On expiry of a patent, competitors are able to use the technology, which hitherto had been protected, to develop their own product starting from the fifth year. So this table shows reason why firm patents. First, prevent copying. Products 96%, processes 78%. Second, patent blocking. Products 82%, processes 64%. Prevent suits. Products 59%, processes 47%. Use in negotiation 48%, 37%. Enhanced repetition. Product is 48%, then processes is 34%. Licensing revenue. Product is 28%, processes is 23%. Measure performance. Product is 6%, then processes is 5%. Trademark. A trademark can be any word, phrase, symbols, or design, or a combination of these things that identifies your goods or services. It's how customers recognize you in the marketplace and distinguish you from your competitors. The word trademarks can refer to both trademarks and service marks. Brand name, an arbitrarily adopted that is given by a manufacturer or merchant to an article or service to distinguish it as produced or sold by that manufacturer or merchant, and that may be used and protected as a trademark, one having a well-known and usually highly regarded as or marketable name. So what's the difference between a brand name and a trademark? A brand name may be a company name or a name ascribed to a particular product or service. It is what the company uses to represent its goods and services, and what consumer use to refer back these goods and services to their source. While trademark is an intellectual property right that protects a brand.
Registered design protects the appearance of the whole or part of a product. Copyright is recognized by the symbol C and gives legal rights to creators of certain kinds of materials, so that they can control the various ways in which their work may be exploited. Copyright protection is automatic and there is no registration or other formality. Copyright may subsist in any description of work, and these are grouped into three categories. First, original literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. Two, sound recordings, films, broadcasts, and cable programs. And the third one, the typographical arrangement or layout of a published edition. Remedy against infringement. There are some forms of infringement of a commercial nature, such as dealing with infringing copies that carries criminal penalties, and that HM Customs has powers to seize infringing printed material. Also, civil actions can be brought by the plaintiff for one or more of the following. First, damages. Second, injunction and accounts. Damages. The owner of the copyright can bring a civil case and ask the court for damages, which can be expected to be calculated on the basis of compensations for the actual loss suffered. Injunction. An injunction is an order of the court that prohibits persons making infringing copies of a work of copyright. Accounts. This is a useful alternative for the plaintiff in that it enables access to the profits made from the infringement of copyright. This is useful especially if the amount is likely to exceed that which might be expected from an award of damages.
Summary of this topic. This chapter has explored the area of intellectual property and the different forms of production available to a firm. This is a dynamic area of business. The operation of trademark has throughout the European Union is now controversial, as is the area of patents. It seems that the pharmaceutical industry is preparing for itself for significant changes. This chapter also made it clear that the patent system has fierce critics, largely due to the associated cost involved with defending a patent against infringement. The patent system, however, was able to highlight it as a viable source of technological knowledge that is used by many companies.